What you eating there, man?
My 10th brick in like 4 days.
10th brick in 4 days? Alright. So, we don't really know what we're going to say in this video because we're kind of pre-recording this. We're planning our next experiment, so to speak, for January. It's not like the 2nd of December, so we have to have a month to kind of get the details worked out. But Danny, Brian, and I have been out here all weekend. We're at my family farm in Texarkana. It's actually in Abilene, Arkansas. 3,000 acres in the middle of nowhere, paradise all around us. We got trees, we got swamps, we got fields, we got everything. We got a river right there.
Yep.
And Danny killed his first deer yesterday. It's a simple life. I mean, there's no cell service, there's none of that. So you're out here and you're truly out here. There's no distraction that, you know, bridges its way into your life and screws over your productivity. On that note, we've been thinking, what can we do to just minimize the distractions, minimize the noise, and simplify?
Yep.
And we're thinking about food, and this whole trip, if you watch the vlog about this trip, you'll know that the prerequisite was we could not eat anything unless we killed it. So we've eaten deer, we've eaten squirrel, and then we brought keto bricks, but we couldn't eat a keto brick until we killed something and ate it. And the whole point of that was just to help balance out the fat ratio because deer and squirrel are very lean.
Super lean.
Super lean.
Especially the squirrel.
Yeah, especially the squirrel. So we're eating these keto bricks and we're eating meat. That's all we've had all weekend. You know, our fat ratio has been perfect. We feel great. Like I feel like I've gotten leaner.
I woke up ripped. Yeah, I was.
Yeah.
Yeah.
He took a picture and texted tomorrow because he was looking so good. You know. So we just feel good. There's like no noise, no distraction. We can like eat the simple foods and then focus on living, which is what we want to do. I mean, both he and I are businessmen. We're busy. We're entrepreneurial. We're like constantly going. We're training hard. We're living hard. We don't want to be distracted by just noise with regard to nutrition. You go online and you search anything keto related nowadays. There's just so much noise out there. There's like paralysis analysis to the max. So we've decided on a new philosophy with our nutrition, and we're going to test it out at least the entire month of January. You want to go into details?
Yeah, so we're going to call it 2 pounds and a brick. Basically, we did the math and we saw that if we were just to eat a pound of ribeye, half a brick, a pound of ground beef, 75-25 if you can, but 80-20 could work too, and then another half a brick, that equals the perfect keto macro ratios, perfect amount of protein, perfect amount of fat, and you get the benefits of carnivore, but then you get some fiber from this, which is, you know, not irritant to the gut. Everything's been perfect, working perfectly here.
All of our blood work's been fine.
Oh yeah, our ketones have been high, our blood sugar has been low, and it's a beautiful thing to look at your tracking and when you see 0 sugar every single day.
Yeah, zero sugar. And like rewind to when I first made the brick. Like I never planned on selling them. Like it was not a product idea. Like I'm not doing this to promote a product. I'm doing this because I believe in it and it works, and the product is the result of that. So I made the brick for me during a competition prep in 2017 because I wanted to just minimize the stressors, take the distractions out of my life then, because I was training like crazy in the last couple months of a contest prep. Like it's chaos. And the brick fit the ticket. And then y'all wanted me to make it into a product, so we did. But now it's like, let's return back to the roots. Let's go back to the basics. Like the reason I made the brick was to simplify. So that's what we're gonna do. Starting in January, we're gonna eat 2 pounds of meat and a brick.
Yep.
And the cool thing about it is, depending on what your caloric intake goals are, you can modify that. You could
scale it up, scale it down.
Yeah, you could do half a pound of meat and a brick. You could do 1 pound of meat and a brick. You could do 3 pounds of meat and a brick. And the numbers still work out perfectly no matter what you do. Like it's all within like 74.8% fat to 76.8% fat, which is like the sweet spot, and
1.8% carbs and like 23% protein.
Yeah.
I'll say the other thing that I love is that carnivore is awesome, but I always want some variety, and this gives me that. It's not sweet, it's not even sweetened, but it's delicious. I can never get sick of it. So this gives me that, especially at night. So like there may be some days where I'll do, you know, pound of meat in the morning, pound of meat in the afternoon, and a whole brick at night. You know, it could be however you want to get it in, but something after dinner, at least for me, I just like having this after dinner, maybe crush it up, eat it, or just eat it like this. So I feel like I can never get sick of this. So we're gonna see if that's the case.
Yeah, and we're gonna come out with another video that goes into the details when we figure out what the details are. But
we want to involve people.
Yeah, we want to involve people. We want y'all to jump on this whole 2 pounds in a brick philosophy.
And also we want to also extend our expertise in other areas like the training. We want to give you guys free workouts that you can do on the road or at home with minimal equipment. It's a minimalist experiment.
Yeah, exactly. Like I've been training in my gym that I'm building, and it's just basically free weights, barbells and dumbbells. That's it. And I've been training hard, I've been training heavy, I'm seeing results, and it's like back to the basics. Like I freaking love it. Like it just takes all that distraction and noise out of my life. And I've got so many other things going on right now. Like I'm getting married this year, I'm building a business, I'm trying to branch out into other business lines. Like there's too much going on to be unsettled by the things that don't really matter. So we're simplifying the things that we can, we're going back to basics, we're going minimalistic, and we're getting results from it.
Oh, for sure.
Cheers.
Cheers, man.
See y'all next time. That's pretty good, I think.
Perfect.